Hello and welcome back to our channel How to Log In. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your Enterprise Bank account. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your browser and your default search engine. Then search Enterprise Bank Login. Then go to the first result that shows up or go to www.enterprisebanking.com. On the right side of the page, click to Personal Online Banking, then click to Login. Then click to Login. Then you will be redirected to a login page. There, enter your username, then enter your password. Once you have entered your login credentials, click to Login. Then you should be able to access your Enterprise Bank account. If you have forgot your password, you can get help by clicking to Forgot Password. And if you haven't enrolled your account yet, you can enroll it by clicking to Enroll Now. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon.